Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare modak with coconut stuffing. Take 1.5 cups of palm jaggery. To this add half a cup of water. Let this be on the flame until the jaggery gets completely melted. Add half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder to the melted jaggery. Give a nice mix and switch off the flame. Now take a pan, add half a teaspoon of ghee. To this add 1.5 cups of grated coconut. Saute this for few minutes. The coconut should not turn brown. Once the color starts changing, you can add the melted jaggery. You have to filter and add it. There will be some impurities in the jaggery, so always filter it and add it. To this add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and start stirring this. You have to stir this continuously until it becomes thick. Once it is thick like this, you can switch off the flame and set it aside. Now take 2 cups of rice flour in a bowl. To this add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. We are going to knead this into a dough by adding hot water. You have to add the water little by little and give a nice stir. Make sure your water is hot. Once the heat is bearable, you can use your hand to knead it. Our soft dough is ready. By the time the filling also got cooled down, the heat is bearable now. Here we are going to make the modak with and without mold. If you have mold like this, you have to grease it with oil or ghee. Take some dough and equally spread it on the mold. Place some filling in the center and close it. If you don't have mold, simply take some dough and flatten it. Place some filling in the center and close it tight. Here I am going to use idli steamer for steaming this, so I have placed all the modaks on the idli plate. The idli pan is also ready, filled with water, so we have to place the plate on the pan. Close this and steam cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Here our modaks are ready. This will taste so good and will be very soft. The palm jaggery will give a unique taste for the recipe, but if you don't have palm jaggery, you can go for regular jaggery or sugar. Do give a try, this will taste so good. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.